Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to view private account on TikTok without following them. So to get started, first of all, open TikTok application. And then once you're inside the TikTok, you will be appear with your For You page or your following page. So let me tell you guys that you cannot see any private account without following them. There is no any option such as to see a private account on TikTok without following. So either you can make a secondary account and then follow the private account you want to see, or either you can directly follow from your TikTok account. That's the only working method. You cannot go against the TikTok rules. So there is no any settings to view a private account on TikTok without following them. So that's all guys. I hope you found the video to be informative and helpful. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.